Yes.
I will never forget the life-changing moment that I had with him, and it actually wasn't that cool, in that it was so powerful that I started to realize that health is something that you can directly affect, and he brought me to my knees one day. I mean, it was so powerful with chocolate.
Yes.
You know, with one of my favorite things, and coffee. And wait a minute, we can make this work.
Down.
Yes, we can make this work where it's actually, you know, with other things, but it's very powerful. So because of what he introduced me, and he gave me some really good gift packs, I went down another road. This is 4 years ago, and I started pursuing a supplement-driven diet.
Well, spirit initiative.
You know, and it's only because of this community. Before that, I was self-destructive. Because